Apparently, this is what my husband and his friends do when they're not actually working. And Bobby's preparing the hog for cooking.
Yeah, they're tough on the outside. Like doing surgery, ain't it?
Now, damn it, Tom.
It tastes, but I wish I did like
the
it.
skin's like anything else. You just gotta have it at the right time.
Right.
You know, off the right.
Well, the skin is gonna crisp up right now.
Keep it in the tub.
Yeah, exactly.
You guys are doing great.
So that means you're halfway done. Cause
We got the probe here.
yeah, stick it in the butt.
You reckon?
These make great tacos, awesome sandwiches, and amazing tamales. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. There's a link in the description to homemade Cajun boudin.